You know what? What's the matter? Hi, Cruz. Oh, hi, Jack. Oh, hey, Reb. Parker. Hi, Parker. Yo, McQueen. Oh, hi, Ralph. Oops, sorry. Hi. I'm gonna change my paint job. Why? I just want to. See you guys in a minute. Here I am, back in my original form. That's the McQueen I know. Hey, McQueen. There's this race going on downtown. I think you should go. It's a race, a proper race. Hey, all you guys should go. Really? What's it called? Racketsworth Speedway. Oh, Racketsworth Speedway sounds like a good place. It's really fun. Huh? What are you talking about? Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. Oh, it's a place called Racketsville Speedway. You guys should go. I probably won't be able to make it because I don't feel well. Thanks for your germs, I appreciate it. Anyway, I gotta go. Here we are, Racketsworth Speedway. Is that what it was called? Racketsville or Racketsworth? I think it was Racketsworth. Anyway, let's go. I'm catching Chick's cold. You alright? Yeah. I think I should go inside. Achoo! No, I think I'll stay out here. Me too. I might stay out. Well, we're going in. Yeah. Defo. Hey, where's Reb? I don't think he came. Yeah. Oh! He talked to me. He was like, hey, I can't go because I need to relax. Because my doctor said my oil pressure's going through the roof. Okay, that sounds good. Let's go in. See you, Cruz. See you, Parker. Bye, McQueen. Bye, Ralph. Bye, Jack. Hello. My name is Nurse GTO. Are you from here? Yeah, we just live further up. You'll be starting up front today. We have roads of... Just go. Start right now. There's no time limit, and let's just go. Let's go racing. Wait, this sounds sketchy. Yeah. Woohoo! Wait, this is the demolition derby. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Be quiet. Out of my way, freaks! Oh my gosh! Run! Yeah. Didn't you guys know it was demolition derby? No, I thought it was just clean racing. Well, no, it's not clean racing. What? Luigi? No, I ain't Luigi, idiot. Hey, buddy, get the honk out of my way. Hey, look here, boys. We got ourselves a couple of rookies. Shall we teach them a lesson? Yeah, coming up without chatting with us. What was that? What was that? Huh? Run! Whoa! Woo! Let's go, 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 go! Yikes! Get him! Oh! No, 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 no! Jack, look out! What? Ah! Ow! That really hurt. Everybody back off! This famous big shot race car is mine! No, he's not. He's mine. No, he's mine. What was that, Shrimpo? You're mine. No, he's not. You know what this means? It's Peter time. Peter, 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 Peter. Yeah. Since you might be going nowhere, I might as well get a nice rev engine. Get super self. Huh? Yeah. What? We have a winner, Ralph Carlo. Hooray! Let's get out of here. Jack, you're right. No, I'm not okay. Thanks for letting us goodbye. So, how was it? Terrible. We almost got squashed like flies. We almost got squashed like a pancake. Oh, I'm so angry. So angry. Why? I want to push Chicken there. Teach him a lesson. Well, good thing you said that because he's right there. We have a new opponent. Chick Hicks. Oh, he's going down. He's one of those race cars you picked on Lightning McQueen. We'll teach you a lesson, bucko. Get him! Yeah, we all hate you. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Let's go. Agreed. Reb, you did shout. I couldn't come straight away. Oh, it's okay. Let's go.